Your path to weight loss success starts right here. You may truly need to lose weight, but no one effectively changes their lifestyle around unless they really want to. You need the motivation to make the change, and more than that, you need the knowledge to assist you in properly changing. Here are some diet-friendly tips you can use to your benefit. Plan sensible, healthy meals instead of relying on diet shakes and meal replacement bars. They are not very nutritious, and they will not leave you feeling satisfied. After consuming these, you will often still feel hungry. Some of these have lots of sugar, which can cause your sugar to spike. For some, weight loss is easier if they do not have a workout routine. This would appeal to people who don't enjoy going to the gym but enjoy sports and other fun things. Trick yourself into enjoying outdoor activities like walking, playing sports, or playing with animals. This can be more like fun than exercise and may help you stay on track. Don't wear loose clothing when trying to lose weight. Many overweight people wear baggy and loose clothing for comfort, but it also allows them to forget about their weight. By avoiding loose clothes, your mind will be on your weight more often. Lose more weight by drinking your snacks. When you are having a craving, try to have some soup or a natural fruit smoothie. These foods will help you feel less full at meals, and will give you the calories you need to be able to make it through those midday cravings. Join a weight loss support group such as Weight Watchers or Tops to help you lose weight. Getting support from others who are following the same path you are on helps you to stay on track. You can also meet people at these groups who have achieved their goals, helping you realize that it is possible. To help you lose weight, you should eat 5 to 6 small meals a day instead of 3 meals. Eating smaller meals will allow your metabolism to keep working throughout the day and keep your blood sugar stable. Eating several smaller meals will also help to keep your blood sugar stable, which will keep you from feeling famished. As mentioned at the start of this video, you need to want to change your life before it's actually going to happen. Once you've made that decision and actually wish to pursue a diet, the tips you've learned here are just the icing on the cake, no delicious pun intended. Use them to help you get in better shape. Now that I have shown you the 3 mistakes that make gain weight, I have another free offer for you, the intermittent fasting formula. You will really love it. Are you looking for a better and faster way to lose weight and get healthy? You need to use the intermittent fasting formula. What is intermittent fasting formula? Intermittent fasting is a way of eating that focuses not on what you eat but when you eat it. Based on the ancient concept of fasting, this diet protocol can be done in several ways but with the same goals of improving overall well-being and health and achieving a healthy body weight. People often like intermittent fasting more than other types of diet because it allows them to eat the foods that they enjoy without being restricted to fat-free or low-calorie meals. Click the link below and access the intermittent fasting formula for free.